Fifth grade math CBA number 2. Anna sold 254 cookies for $2 each and 85 hamburgers for $4 each to raise money for a charity foundation. Determine the amount of money Anna was able to donate to the foundation, M, by solving for the amount of money Anna earned selling the cookies and hamburgers less the $450 she spent on supplies to make the cookies and hamburgers. How much money did Anna earn for the foundation? Number 2. Yesterday, Federico used 1/5 liter of water for his plant, 7/500ths liter of water to prepare his soup, and 5/4 liter of water to prepare iced tea. Today, Federico used 1 4/5 liters of water. How many more liters of water did he use yesterday than today? Use the grid to bubble your answer as a decimal. Anne is 10 5/10 years old. Marco is 11 7/12 years old. How many years older is Marco than Anne? Number 4. Simplify the following expression. Number 5. The coordinate plane below shows some graphed ordered pairs. Which table shows the ordered pairs graphed on this coordinate plane? Number 6. After spending $70 from her bank account, Keisha had a total of $126 left. Which number sentence could be used to find A, the amount of money Keisha had in her account before she spent $70? Number 7. An expression is shown below. 7 plus 4 times 10 divided by 2 plus 7/3 minus 1/3. Which of the following could be one of the simplification steps used to evaluate the expression? Number 8. Consider the following expression. Which best describes the relationship between the digit 6 and the parentheses in the expression? F. 6 less than 48 times the sum of 2 and 3. G. 6 times 2, then add 3. H. 6 less than 48. J. 6 times the sum of 2 and 3. Number 9. Molly and Roxana each had 3 wooden sticks to paint during art class. The model below is shaded to represent the fraction of the sticks each girl painted. Which solution process shows the difference between the number of sticks that each girl painted? Number 10. The diagram below shows the number of congruent sections in a window. The length and width of one section are labeled in inches. What is the total perimeter of the window? Number 11. Jay's teacher gave him an input number and a rule for a numerical pattern. Jay wrote out an output number using the rule as shown in the table below. Which statement about the pattern in Jay's table is true? A. The pattern is additive because the input plus 246 equals the output. B, the pattern is multiplicative because the input times 3 equals the output. C, the pattern is additive because the input plus 75 equals the output. Or D, the pattern is multiplicative because the input times 2 equals the output. Number 12. Manny and Danny are both saving money. The graph below shows the amount of money Manny and Danny have each saved. Which statement about the graph is not true? F. The graph represents an additive pattern because the points lie in a straight line and do not pass through the origin 0, 0. G. The graph represents an additive pattern because the points lie in a straight line and can be represented by the equation y is equal to x plus 10. H. The graph does not represent a multiplicative pattern because the points lie in a straight line and do not pass through the origin 0, 0. J. The graph represents a multiplicative pattern because the points lie in a straight line and can be represented by the equation y equals 10x. Number 13. A pack of bubble gum cost $1.25. The graph below shows the pattern y equals 1.25 times x, where y represents the total cost of the gum and x represents the number of packs of bubble gum bought. Which table represents the relationship between x and y shown in the graph? Number 14. Which input-output table and graph represents the numerical pattern y is equal to x plus 2 5/10? Number 15. Danielle's dog is 2.5 years older than Angie's dog. The table below shows the ages of Angie's dog and Danielle's dog over several years. Which graph could be used to find the age of Danielle's dog when Angie's dog is 9 years old? Number 16. The coordinate plane below shows the point S. Which statement describes the coordinates of point S on the coordinate plane? F. The y-coordinate of point S, 2 5/10, shows the movement parallel to the y-axis starting at the origin. And the x-coordinate of point S, 1 5/10, shows the movement parallel to the x-axis starting at the origin. G. The x-coordinate of point S, 2 5/10, shows the movement parallel to the x-axis starting at the origin. And the y-coordinate of point S, 1 5/10, shows the movement parallel to the y-axis starting at the origin. H. The y-coordinate of point S, 2 5/10, shows the movement parallel to the x-axis starting at the origin. And the x-coordinate of point S, 1 5/10, shows the movement parallel to the y-axis starting at the origin. J, not here. Go back and check your work and then check all your bubbles. Good job.